Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're going to chuck on a bit of Diag, so I need to do more. You guys are requesting more Diag, I need to do more, I need to show more. So here we go. This one, although it's very simple, it's just going to highlight a few things that are needed just to do, obviously, the bare minimum, or the basics really. And I always harp on about it. I always say KISS, keep it simple stupid, because you've got to. Don't jump in, don't go balls deep, whatever you fancy. Just let's keep it simple stupid. So we've got an aircon fault on this Golf 8. It's not holding gas. It is for a little bit, and then it's not lasting long. So indicating an obvious leak. So what we do is, like you've seen on a video I've done before with oil leaks, we apply a little bit of dye to the system. Now the dye is going to help us out massively. It's going to highlight things. And we've got the special torch that is not like your normal torch, see? It's exactly the same torch as I used to highlight the dye on the oil leak on the Golf R. If you haven't seen that yet, definitely nip back on the channel and have a nosy. So we're in this engine bay. This didn't really take me too long, to be fair, which is always nice, you know, beneficial to the customer. So we have obviously the ports, the charge ports. There's one there, and there's one just tucked under the header tank there. And I've got the header tank. Volkswagen designed these really well, so you can just pop them out of the way. Now you might see where I'm getting at already. We've got a little bit of green stuff. So you point it down there. Wow! Hello, lots of green stuff. You follow it up, and we're looking at these two joins just here. So this one looks all right, doesn't it? Can't see any leaks around that one. This one, woo, we're having a rave here. And this one has sprayed all the dye out, which is what we wanted it to do ideally. And now we've got disco lights. So there you go, guys. It's as easy as a seal's gone in there. Obviously, I'm going to advise both seals. One's gone. You might as well have them both done at the same time. Stop you opening up the system too many times. Obviously, we'll get that seal replaced, and then we can fully vacuum out the system, clear all the nasties out of there, and get it working. Test it again, clear all that off. Obviously, we don't want any more shiny green stuff, just in case it's got another leak, I suppose, and then you're not chasing your arse. So that's the leak, guys. Special tool, special dye for the aircon. That's give us an accurate diagnosis. We can crack on with the repair once authorised and get this back on the road. So, you know, one for the win. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you do, like and share, chuck it back to your mates, show them what we do, and let's make this trade a little bit of a better place. Have a great day, guys. Have a great week. I'll see you soon.